Hi, I'm Brad Friedman, here with Maggie Davis, Strategic Marketing Manager for HP's Eco Solutions program. Thanks for sitting down with us, Maggie.
My pleasure.
So I'm a large organization, a large corporation, a government entity even, and I would call you guys. You guys come in and do what? Take a look at what I'm currently doing and then make recommendations for how I can improve it based on both cost and energy efficiency?
One of the things that our customers kept asking about is, well, help me reduce the environmental impact of printing in my enterprise, but also we need to make sure that we reduce cost. And a lot of times we can do things with our network management tools that allow you to pull information remotely. So we have something called HP WebJet Admin, and we could look at a fleet and pull information from your fleet remotely. We don't even have to be there.
What does that mean, WebJet Admin?
It's a network management software tool.
Right.
And so at HP we have it ourselves. A lot of our HP Management Services customers use it as well. And what happens is we install that. We see all the devices that are on the network. We see how many pages come out of each printer within that network. We can run different reports based on our needs and usage. And we could find those devices that, for example, aren't getting used at all, the devices that are getting used way too much, so we can move things around where we need to. And we also have a new thing for WebJet Admin. It's called the Eco Solutions Reports. So one of the things that our customers are saying to us is, we want to be able to measure this. We have some metrics around this, but how do we get those metrics measured in our corporation? And so we'll say, okay, with Eco Solutions Reports, we can run a report on how many devices within your enterprise, or maybe just a site, have the ability to print on both sides of a sheet of paper, which is one of the key kind of foundational things you need to do to make sure you reduce paper waste.
This is called duplex printing,
Duplex printing. So if your printer is not able to print on both sides of the sheet of paper, doesn't have that duplex capability, you can't implement a fundamental part of a green IT for printing strategy.
Are there security issues involved with that?
Absolutely.
What are those security issues, and how do you guys deal with that?
One of the things that we've been hearing from customers is we need to increase security of our documents. And so we have solutions called HP Access Control, for example. And one aspect of this solution is, instead of printing out a job and making that dash for it, we have some kind of authentication at the device to release that job. Now, if you had used a solution like HP Access Control or other pull printing, we call them pull printing solutions because you're literally pulling that job at the printer, you could save yourself that business faux pas. And when you got to Helsinki to the office, you could have just went up to that printer that you know which one it was because you selected it, get that job right off of there as you're standing there.
Put in my code, it prints out. Bad guys don't see it.
That's right.
Or good guys who are going to release it early.
Eyes that shouldn't see it, yes.
Right. Maggie Davis, thanks for your time today. It's really appreciated. I'm Brad Friedman. Thanks for watching.